welcome to Singapore, where local time is 11 minutes after 4, which is about 30 minutes ahead of our scheduled arrival time, and the outside temperature a lovely 28 degrees Celsius.
Alright, what's going on, people? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today, join you guys in the amazing, incredible Singapore. Going to bring you guys around Singapore for the couple of days that I'm here. We're going to be trading live. We're going to be going to stay up this crazy hotel behind me up here. That's where we're going to go check in today. And there's a rooftop pool, and apparently there's loads of shopping center stuff over there as well. So I've come to Singapore for 4 days. So we're in Singapore for 4 days, and then we're flying across to Vietnam. And then we're flying across to Vietnam, where my girlfriend's going to be joining me, and we're going to be spending the week in Vietnam as well. But I thought we'll come early, we'll have a quick stopover in Singapore, hopefully make some money and just check out the city. And so far it is absolutely beautiful. So let's go check into the hotel, go view the crazy rooftop pool, and see if we can make some money today. Let's get it. The real reason we've come to Singapore is to come and see the liquidity providers. There's an absolutely insane amount of banks and hedge funds over here in Singapore. All of these buildings behind me are all major banks, got some big trading floors, so maybe we'll go sneak into one and go check out a trading floor. Let us know where these Asian traders are going to push gold today, so I can hopefully take advantage of it and get some of that Asian gold bank. That would be great. But yeah, amazing city. You know, it's cool to come to a city every now and again. It's cool to experience something different. You know, I've never been to this place before, and I've always, you know, seen pictures of it and always thought, you know, it'd be such a cool place to one day come and, you know, spend some time there. And yeah, I can understand why people do it. It's a very clean city so far. Everything's immaculate. Probably not somewhere you guys may want to come if you're on a budget. I was a little bit naughty last night. I got in pretty late and I ordered a Domino's, which was around like 30 Australian dollars. But then with delivery, it was like, it was close to 40, which was pretty crazy. Or maybe I just got ripped off. I don't know. One or the other. This coffee was all right though. This coffee was about 6 Singapore dollars, which I believe is pretty much the same as like Australian dollars. I don't think it's that different. So I'm not sure if you could do it. Maybe you could do it on a budget. I'm sure there's good, you know, hostel places and cheap ways to do it. But today we are not. Today we are going to go stay up at this absolutely incredible hotel for a few nights before we go. And I'm super excited. I've seen pictures of this place online, and the rooftop pool looks absolutely amazing. So we're going to sit up there. We're going to get the laptop out. We're going to trade and look like full gurus. And I cannot wait. Let's go up. Alright guys, so we checked into the room. What an absolutely beautiful spot. Look at this. Look at these views, absolutely incredible. And now we're actually getting ready to go on stream. I'm going to live stream for the guys on YouTube. Cannot miss the streams. Absolutely love jumping on with you guys. So we're going to be doing this, and I'll break down after this a trade that I took by the pool, 100 pip trade. Only used a 0.5 lot, currently running up over $600 while sitting by the pool exploring Singapore. Do I condone taking trades on your phone sitting by the pool? Absolutely not. Can you do it every now and again with smaller size just to get a feel for the markets? Absolutely. So we're going to go on stream. We'll see if we get some trades in the London session for the guys on Zoom and on YouTube, and I'll catch up with you guys straight after the stream. So let's jump on. Look, we're going to be trading from this. You guys on YouTube are getting a special treat. We're going to be trading here with the background like this. Amazing. Singapore, you are absolutely beautiful. Let's get it. We just got done trading the London session there on YouTube. Now, we did put in a few orders, but unfortunately we didn't get filled, and price just continued to range for the rest of the day, and that's the reason that we like to use the buy and sell stops. If price doesn't flip, then we don't get tagged in, we don't take the loss, we also don't get stuck in a range. So we're going to come back for the New York session with the guys on Zoom in the community and see if we can get some trades in the New York session. And I'm going to record for you guys the trade that I took in Asia and recap that. But right now it's about 4 o'clock, so I think it's only right that we go back upstairs for another swim. But I also do need some food, and I do need to get ready for the New York session. Food or swim? Both, but I've already eaten up there today, and we're in Singapore, so it seems stupid just to eat at the same place every day. So what time does the pool close actually? What time does the pool close? Let's have a look. You guys want to rest on a room tour? Look at this. Beautiful. Bathroom. Shower. Look at that. Beautiful. What time does the pool close? The pool closes at 12 a.m. Wow. evening dip it is. All right, we got ages. All right, let's go get some food then. Don't know where we're gonna get some food. Look at this view, man. You guys ever get the chance to come to Singapore? Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's go find something to eat. Not sure what, don't know what we want, but we're gonna go get something. So now I'll give you guys the recap of the trade I took during the Asian session here. So taking a look at the charts here on gold, you guys can see if we just replay to where I was entering. Take a look at the high time frame on gold. Super simple trade now. We were obviously overall bearish on gold, been in this nice little downward trend here. Yesterday grabbed the highs, closed back bearish. Yesterday grabbed the highs, closed back bearish. So today I'm looking for shorts, you know, based off the daily close and back below the support, grabbing previous daily highs, looking for this to continue pushing down. Now, there were some amazing shorts yesterday, which I shared in Discord. Once you grab these highs, I gave downside liquidity levels to come all the way back down into these lows down here. So good job to you guys who were in the community that managed to take that. It was a very, very nice push down. Now, I didn't get that short down yesterday, but then again, you know, I come on the charts today, we're looking still bearish. The daily close bearish. We've broken below this major level of support, and you can kind of see here on the 4 hour time frame on gold, you have four hourly equal lows. So down here becomes even more liquidity where we want to look to target. And then if we just take a look at the hourly time frame here on gold, what I saw was price was coming back up and respecting this level of very, very key level of support. Now, very simple technicals here, simple as like all of my trades, like you guys see me do live on stream. You keep the technicals simple and you focus on up here. So now for me on here on gold, I had some alerts today sitting around, I was just short on the line, sitting around these levels, wanting price to come back up, retest these areas before going short. You've grabbed some highs, you've had the liquidity grab, there's your breakout and there's your retest. So literally as the 15-minute was coming into that level, I then started to take some shorts and risking off this high here. I was like, if we break that high, we make them high and I might look for some longs. So I just market executed shorts off this level. I had my downside liquidity targets. We have a liquidity grab, we have a breakout, we have a liquidity target. Liquidity to liquidity, that's all it is. And then price ended up pushing down very, very nice. And I didn't watch this at all. This is when I was sitting by the pool. Sound like a furu here, but this is when I was sitting by the pool. And then gold ended up hitting this TP of about 100 ticks. My exit, which I'll pop up on the screen, you guys can see, was around, you know, this 2313.04 level was my exit point for about 100 tick trade. Now, I only took this at a 0.5 lot because I was taking it from my phone. Do not recommend it while sitting by the pool. So I was like, I don't want to over leverage in this position. So I was like, I don't want to be too overexposed in this position that I can't manage because I hadn't checked into this room yet. But I was like, it's a good enough level. Let me just take a position and get a feel for the markets. I'm happy to take a 0.5 trade. If that hits my TP, that's around 800 Australian dollars just by sitting by the pool. So ended up playing out very, very well. You came down, you know, you grabbed these highs, the 15 then closed back below, which also gave the 30 with a beautiful liquidity grab. You know, as soon as we grab these highs, then you go break even straight away. As soon as these highs are grabbed, this 30 closes, bam, there's your liquidity grab. With these highs, stop loss to break even, where's your target down at these lows? By the time I had checked the position, we were already pushing down very, very well. And then you can kind of see here on the 15, we rejected, we re-grabbed the low. So there's your liquidity low. Liquidity grab for this to start to retrace back higher. So I was like, you know what, let me close 90% of my position and see if we can get this little runner. And then gold for the rest of the day just kind of ranged a bit, but that was my trade there. Very, very simple trade, very clean. You know, like all of my trades, I keep the technicals simple. The liquidity grab to highs, breakout, and a liquidity target. Very, very simple. So for the rest of the evening here in Singapore, you can see the weather's kind of getting a bit cloudy behind me. It looks like it's about to storm, but it is actually supposed to storm. So I'm going to jump back on with the guys in the community for a New York live stream, and we'll see if we get any trades there. If not, because the pool is open till 12 a.m., we'll very likely go back up for an evening swim. And then tomorrow we still have another full day here in Singapore and a full night. Actually, I'm staying here again. So we'll take you guys around part 2 of Singapore tomorrow, but I'll catch up with you guys post New York session and see if we get some trades with the community. All right, good morning people, what's going on? We're back, another morning here in the amazing Singapore. It's about 6:30 in the morning. We're gonna go to the rooftop pool and go for that very first dip of the day. Hopefully, it's nice and quiet too. Look at these views, man. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I have the same one.
Oh, do you? Nice. It's cool, isn't it? It's good. beautiful morning swim done. Now, down to the lobby, coffee, jump on a market call with the guys in the community, cover Asia, daily close, and then I need to go to a camera store before we go on the London. Let's go down, drink some coffee, and get on the market call. And I'll show you guys this coffee shop, because this coffee shop has some insane pastries. Hello. Could I just get a single Americano, please?
You want it hot or iced?
Hot, please. Hello. I just ordered coffee. So we've just done the market call for the guys in the community, giving them the liquidity levels for the day. So you guys know I live stream on YouTube for absolutely free every single day in the London session. Now, outside of the London session, the guys in the community will get market calls for the Asian and pre-New York session as well, where I'll give them all of the liquidity levels for the day. But this isn't a sales pitch for the community, just for the people who always ask. Now, pretty much that's my... it's about 8 a.m. and that's as exciting as my mornings may get. And it may seem quite boring to people, but for me personally, I absolutely love it. I love just having a coffee, catching up with the guys in Discord, reviewing the markets, having a look at the trades we've taken, seeing daily closures and seeing what we got for the day. And now pretty much I'm going to be replying to some emails sitting here. I've got a lot to go through because I'm trying to expand into a lot of different things this year. I feel like it's important to diversify into different things. You don't want all of your eggs in one basket. So I'm trying to expand a lot this year into the property side. More so investment properties. I want to buy some properties that I can, hopefully get below market value, rent them out, have people covering the mortgage, if not most of it. Even though it's weird in Australia, because in Australia it's probably one of the only places where it's actually cheaper to rent than it is to buy, which is kind of crazy to me. Because being in the UK, it's the complete opposite. You'll spend more money renting than you would buy. But in Australia, for some reason, it's the opposite. But even if I got a place and say about 500,000, 600,000, rented it out and it costed me 5 to 10,000 a year as a sub of what people were paying my mortgage, that's still pretty good. You get in 20 years time an asset that you haven't really spent that much money on. Maybe even less. It might only cost you 2,000 a month. With fees 3,000, 5,000. I don't know. We need to work it all out. So if any of you guys watching do have any experience in the property side, maybe development, or maybe you have some investment properties and you want to help me out, would greatly appreciate it. And then pretty much for the rest of the day now, we are going to, I need to go find a camera store because I need to get a hard drive for my computer and I need to get another memory card for you guys watching so we can keep talking like this. And then we're going to be jumping on a London session for free on YouTube as always. And then I've got one more night here in this amazing hotel. So what I will do is I will wrap up this video here. I won't spare you guys the bore of watching me go through emails. I may do a part 2 in Singapore, or if not, the next video will be when I'm going to my next destination, which is not back home. It's another secret place. We're going on another world trip. So stay tuned. Make sure to like, subscribe if you guys are new here. Appreciate you taking the time to tune in. And I'll see you guys in the next video where we will be in a brand new location. If you guys do ever get the opportunity to come to Singapore, highly recommend it. Maybe we even do a trading retreat here one time. So that's it. We'll wrap up. I'll see you guys live on YouTube every single day, 7 to 9 a.m. London time. I'll see you guys there. Peace.